Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In this video, I'm going to start a new module in SAP SuccessFactors, that is SAP SuccessFactor Recruitment Management Module that we call RCM module. So SAP SuccessFactors Recruitment Management Module that we called RCM. RCM module. So here, if I tell you, so in recruitment module, so there is basically two things. There is basically two things. First is RCM and second is RMK. Most of the configuration, most of the things we are covering in RCM. Okay. And what is the use of recruitment? Okay. What is stands for RCM? What is the stand for? Okay. RMK. So everything we have to discuss. So here recruitment related everything in SAP SuccessFactor we have to discuss in RCM recruitment management module. So I have to tell you the course content. So if you see here the course content first, that is the introduction part. So introduction part you have to understand the basic understanding of SAP SuccessFactor, SAP as well as the navigation of SAP SuccessFactors, the foundation related role-based permission. These are the basic knowledge you will get in your RCM module. Okay, in your RCM basic things you have to complete it. Then after that, recruitment, okay, or we can say recruiting management module. Recruiting management module. Here you have to understand the overview of recruiting, what is the use of provisioning, what is the use of okay, instant, their setup, okay. And here you see applicant status sets, job requisition, okay, and as well as job requisition approval, job profile template, job posting, candidate profile, very important, candidate application, candidate management, interview center, background check, okay, then offer approval, offer letter, you see hiring a candidate as employee, then email notification setting. So here we can say as per role, we have to okay understand the complete process related to the recruitment, okay. So these all the concept. So first we have to understand the mastery, the basic understanding, the we have to understand the foundation or the basic knowledge of SAP. After that we have to cover okay the advanced thing in recruitment management module, that is RCM. Okay, and finally we have to see the okay the status report, everything whatever we have configured here, everything we have to set okay see as a dashboard. So here we can say this is our course content. Okay, this will be our course content. And here in this module, we will discuss, okay, the SAP recruitment management module. So basically these are in two parts. Basically these are in two parts. Okay. So RCM, that is your recruitment management recruitment management module. Okay, so here very simple way, if I say here you will create the job requirement, posting the requirements. Okay, once the profile you will get, okay, that shortlisting final offer. Okay, so most of, if I say everything, most of 99% work you are doing in this recruitment module. Okay, majority of the work you are doing here. And what is your RMK? So RMK, that is your recruiting marketing marketing module. Marketing module. So this is basically about the way we have to, okay, and we can say you have to get your, okay, job integrated to different platform. What is that means? Where you have to advertise, where you have to advertise the job, like on LinkedIn job post, okay, on Indeed, on Naukri.com. There are different portals. So you have to means here we have to understand, okay, mostly this is external means you have to integrate, you have to connect your SAP SuccessFactor module to different platforms, so that you can automatically, we can very simple we can say you can directly upload job, okay, to any different platform, okay, different hiring pro, okay, platform you can publicly, okay, showing the openings of your jobs. So very simple way, if I say you can directly upload job related things, so that is the integration. This is recruiting marketing module. It is the integration between external platform with your SAP for job posting. Very simple way. For job posting, you have to make the integration. Okay. So different, okay, there are different portals. Okay, you have to integrate. So this is understanding of your recruitment marketing module. So basically, what here this is the main thing. If I say the recruitment management module, so here the most of the part. Okay, we can say 90 plus work we are doing here, 95 plus work, okay, percent work we are doing here in the RCM module, means from the hiring to their final offer, all the process we are done in recruitment management module. Okay, so this will be your course content, guys. We will cover this entire course from basic to advanced, everything we will cover. Okay, thank you guys.